Hello, Ella Rhodes here, and today we are actually going to be talking about how to make very good realistic roleplay photos. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is I actually tried to video this one more time, but one, I couldn't do properly, and two, I failed very badly when trying to take the jump photo. So yeah, for the jump, you want to make your horse jump low. It makes it a lot easier if you're on a hill, because your horse has to jump low. But then you basically, this is a little high. A horse in real life would not do that. The point of realistic roleplay is to make it look real, to make it look in real life. So yeah, you have to just walk, trot, canter, and then you gallop, and you take the photo. Now, this did not work because I was way too close to the jump, and everybody that's seen that photo would know that. You have to jump low, and you really have to jump too early. Way too early. And you click photo mode, and as you can see, your horse is way, way far away from the jump. And you click it again, and you get this photo. Now, this photo is not the best because it's really the horse. It is really good because it's really the horse landing. And that looks good because people really know that your horse is actually jumping. Now, the filters, you have a few. You've got the Birch, you got the Stefan, you got the Dream, you got the Hyacinth. Oh my god, I messed this up in the other video. The Hyacinth, the March, the Memory, the Orchard, the Retro, the Dahlia, the Vendila, and that's it. So those are all really nice. I typically use the Dream filter because I really like it, but it makes it look a lot unreal. So I go to the filter fade and I put it down a lot just to give it that touch of niceness. And then the logo, you can put it in any corner. I typically put it in this corner just because I find it looks really nice there. That's my corner. I don't know, my teacher's corner is this corner. Oh my god, the top right hand corner. Then the saturation, as you know, I am a sucker for saturation. I turn up the saturation not too high, but not too low. I'm definitely not shy with it. But I just love how it brings out the real colors, and it makes it look earlier in the day. But yeah, as you can see, I didn't turn it full blast because that makes everything look a little unreal. Sorry for the background noises. But yeah, I think that this photo was a big score. My horse is not jumping too high. I think that those legs could be down maybe here. The belly should be maybe here. But, no, I think that it's quite good because a horse will kind of kick out as it's jumping. Well, not kick out. But then the contrast, as you can see, this makes everything look like very olden days, and you might want that. So let's just go to if it was Birch. No, Birch is not the one that makes it look olden days. Sorry. Let me just find it. Vindel? Oh god, maybe it was Birch. It's just because of me messing with all the other stuff, it makes it look like the colors are still there. But yeah, or maybe it is just the contrast. No, it's not the contrast fault. See, if I do no contrast, I think that this makes just a lovely photo. No, really don't put no contrast. You're gonna get so many dislikes on that video. So yeah, I'm gonna just switch back to Dream. But yeah, the contrast, as I said, you don't put it too high. I like to just give it a touch to give his mane a little bit of that touch. And then the brightness, I don't really mess with the brightness too much. I think that a bit of brightness is nice. But then if you want to go be night riding, I don't want to be night riding in this picture, but maybe you do for something. But you can make it really, really earlier it gets late, and then bring it earlier and earlier and later. And I like to put it the most sun as possible, as if I'm like at a show, a daytime show. I don't think there's such thing as a nighttime show. By the way, the logo, I won't put one, because the logo, it's like, it's just, I put the logo when I feel like it's really what the game was made for. Like if I'm trail riding with a friend, or if let's say I'm doing some stuff with a club or something like that. Yeah, I will put on the logo because it's what the game was very much meant for. Now, the adaptive field I really hate because it only really shows, the only part that is unblurry is your horse. And I know that, and even the horse's face is blurry. And I know that a lot of people like this, but I really don't. I don't like it at all because I find that it makes everything look unfocused. It's like as if you took a bad photo, an unfocused photo. But it does focus. Oh, it focuses the picture where you click. Oh my god, I never noticed that. Wow. Yeah, this would be kind of good if you're taking a photo and you want people to, like, focus on one thing in the photo, but I don't use it, as I said, long story short. Now, this is show UI. Don't ask me. Oh, I don't know what UI is, but I don't typically put that unless I'm doing, like, a map photo where it's like, woohoo, I've done all my daily training. But I don't put that because it makes it look like a game, and as I said, the point of realistic roleplay is making it seem like real life or more real. So yeah, then I will think, yeah, this is really nice, I like this, I think I'm ready, and I will click on it. And then I will go back to the world, and trust me, since your eyes adjusted to all those filters, don't worry, the world will look very weird and unbright and stuff. I know, it happens to me. At least the Star Stable world. The real world won't look like anything different. Thank God. Yeah, but by the way, guys, happy day before we're getting a pony. Tomorrow, stay tuned because we're getting a pony. And I am so excited. I told my mom to think of names. And then here we are finally here. And the next photo is a misbehaving in training photo. You can also do something where you're riderless and take one where it's like a horse in the round pen misbehave, like just bucking and getting some energy out, and then, or in a field maybe. I'm gonna ignore this person just so that the photo really looks like it's just mine. I'm gonna ignore them and then take them off of my ignore list, just so that it's really my arena for a second. So first of all, you're gonna be, maybe, let's say you're doing dressage. I'm gonna go to slow gallop just because it's easier to control. So this is a bucking photo, and you're thinking, Ella, that horse can't buck. Yes, they can. You jump, and as they land, I did not get that. This kind of looks like the horse is about to kick, but I didn't really get that moment. You've got to click W, and as they land, see, I didn't get it again. I need to really, oh my god, dude, Sarah. Anyways, as I was saying, as they land from the jump, you click O, and it looks like they're kicking out. And that's a really good thing. Well, it's not good. My hooves are doing the thing where they, oh my god. Okay, wait, we're just gonna go depth of field. Yeah, it does kind of look cool. Oh, except for my mouth is all blurry. Oh my god, it looks like I have no mouth. And now my human is being, my game character is being shown. Now that's the buck. I'm gonna try to get the buck one more time and jump. And it's better to be early than it is to be late. Here I really got him kicking out, and then you just click photo. I won't click that photo because I don't have anything saturation, and I already have many pictures of misbehaving. Now the next thing is you're gonna have your simple rear, and as you know, you have to be cantering, trotting, or walking. You can't be standing still, and you can't be slow galloping or fast galloping. You click X, and as they're up in the air, you click O. Now the thing about rearing to know is you should really have your horse's eyes opened. If they are not open, they will not look real, and you want your horse's legs at a different spot. If they're both together, it'll just look uncomfortable and weird. Now the next one, you want to be riderless. So you just go into options, and then you go to creative, and I usually click on show other wild horses, and then you click on become a wild horse. Now anybody who has click the show other wild horses will see me as a wild horse. Now you want to take off all of your tack. Oh my god, my poor backpack. I think my backpack's ready for a trip to the stable so I can clean it out. Stupid backpack, you're revealing the realisticness of this. I've got so much cake in this. It's just cake. Anyways, the way that this photo will work is you want to be slow galloping or fast galloping. I'm going to go to slow gallop again just for the same reason. And you are going to click X. And X. And as you can see, your horse is forward and your horse is a little everywhere. Wait, I didn't really quite get it there. I'm so sorry. Let me try this again. Maybe if I fast gallop, it'll work better. Okay, yep. It's a little hard to maneuver in this arena. Anyways, you click X so that you go at the fast stop, and you wait till your horse is low. Your horse's head is low, and it looks like they just got up from rolling. And then you're going to put on a bit of my sature. You can put on whatever filters you like. And I think you should really get it where your horse is looking at you, really looking at the photo, and then the brightness. I'm going to leave the brightness because the brightness is good in this. And then oh my god, the sun actually moves. I didn't know that. I mean, I knew that it moves in real life. I'm not stupid, but yeah, you might want it to be late at night because they were just sleeping, or you want it early in the morning because they were just waking up. Maybe like that. But I'm going to put it this time of day because they're just rolling and they got up. And then, I don't know, I don't always use a little filter. So I usually just look through them and see if anything looks nice on it. And sometimes I have to go back and just check. But today, none of the filters look good, so I just went back to no filter, and then I clicked on my photo. So yeah, the next photo is actually a, let me think for a second. If I have any. I'm just thinking if I have any photos. Let me just try to friend somebody quick. Oh wow. Oh great. Why won't you ever be online, Elizabeth? Now the next one is actually, I have nobody to do this with, so let me just go to my ignore list and unignore that person because they didn't actually do anything. I wonder if they're still just standing there. Oh, good, they're not. And I didn't ignore that person because they weren't really in the way. Now, the next